Una good evening, my brothers and sisters. My name is Anthony. You are welcome to First State Immigrant Solution. So, in case una never subscribe, wanna try, wanna see subscribe, wanna help my YouTube channel. So, God bless you. The reason why I come be say I wan come do the last part of this international protection wey we dey see for here for Italy, so which is humanitarian and special case. So before special case, na humanitarian dem first dey see. The people wey dem know say their story wey fall for under vulnerability or unstable political instability or famine or any other environmental disaster, na dem dey give this humanitarian before, and na 2 years before. So when Salvini come, he come do this decree of security, which is Decreto di Sicurezza. When he do that one for 4th of October 2018, he come cancel or abolish humanitarian. So na then he come bring wetin dem dey call special cases, wey Italo dey talk say casi speciale. So na this special case now I wan come analyze to una. Abeg, make una just take am as I take talk am so. So special case mean say no be only one case, e get different type of cases. If you know say the story wey you talk, e fall under these cases wey I wan list, so na im dem take give you your permit to stay from 6 months to a year. Na the permit to stay dey last, and some of them dem dey renew am, while some of them you go renew am. If you no get contract, dem no fit renew am for you again. So I wan just tell you, make you just lis ten, take your biro and paper, write wetin you fit write down, make you know where your story know say e fall po, then you know the kind of document wey dem give you. So if you, the first one wey I talk about na person wey be victim of abuse or exploitation. That victim of abuse or exploitation be say the person wey dem know say dem abuse am, whether sexually or physically or otherwise, or dem exploit money, or dem use am take turn to their own person wey dem fit dey collect their money for im hand, the wrong job wey dem dey do. That kind person, if you go talk say na those things na im face for his story, dem give am from 6 months to 1 year permit of stay. Dem fit renew that permit of stay, and the person fit get right to still convert am to working permit of stay, or e still get right to ask any assistance, whether social assistance or health assistance or thereabout. So the next one na be domestic abuse trafficking. So domestic abuse trafficking na this another special case wey dem still dey give from 6 months to 1 year permit of stay, and this one you fit still convert am, and until the justice take its course, wey be say until court talk say this person, una give am this, una give am that, the person get right to still convert this permit of stay, which is 6 months to 1 year, to working permit of stay or to study permit of stay. So another one again wey dem still dey see again na be victim of labour. Victim of labour be say another permit of stay wey dey under special cases. So victim of labour exploitation permit of stay be say dem fit still give you from 6 months to 1 year, and dem fit still dey renew am if e expire. But if you wan convert am to work, you fit still convert am if you get working contract or hospitality. So the only one wey dem no fit convert for under special case na be the cases wey fall under natural disaster or calamity. If you know say you get case wey fall under those two categories, like say earthquake happen for your story wey you talk, or flood happen for the story wey you talk, dem give you this special case for natural disaster. And this one, so dem no fit convert this one to working permit of stay. Na only this one na valid for 6 months, and you no fit go to your country of where you for come. So na make this one dey very very, na be the lowest, and e no good at all, because you no fit convert am even though say you get work. But you fit use am work, but you no fit convert this one to working permit of stay or study permit of stay. So this one now na still dey among these special cases. Then the another special case wey dem still dey see be say na permit of stay for medical treatment. Anybody wey get serious health case wey dem know say e sickness serious well well, say e no fit do without e no go hospital, wey oyibo dey call persis ten t sickness, wey dem need to follow am gradually until the person go their kingdom come. So this kind of person, e get right to ask this permit of stay for treatment. And this permit of stay now, e need doctor or any other public authorized healthcare wey go certify am say this person get persis ten t healthcare, wey you know say e need to get this permit wey go fit take dey go meet doctor or wey go take dey take treatment. So, and if you return to your country, your country no fit still help you, treat you. Na im make am say this health treatment, medical health treatment permit of stay is very very important, because the reason why dem dey give am be say in case if dem deport that person go back, or if dem carry that person go back, the country no fit help am, dem no fit help am, or dem no fit treat am, make the person no go lost im life, or make the health situation no go increase, or make e no go lead to his own life. Na im make dem dey give this one wey dem call permit of stay for medical treatment. So apart from this one, dem still get other permit of stay. Like women wey get belle, you get right to ask permit of stay even though say you no get document. So if you ask permit of stay until your pikin wey you born go reach 6 months, you get right to ask permit of stay. Na questora go dey, or police station, dem go dey renew the document for you till your pikin complete 6 months. So that one you no fit convert am to working permit of stay. So na im make am say if your pikin complete 6 months, the document dem no fit convert am, you no fit renew am again. So the one wey you fit convert again, wey I would like talk last, na im be the one wey dey very important, be say if you know say you dey do good work, you understand, you dey do good work, you dey save people from danger, or you dey prevent people from disaster for Italy, or you dey do any act or action of benefit or humanity, or you dey do anything that has to do with, so maybe somebody wan lost im life now, dey go save that person, or thief wan rob bank, you go save that bank, or thief wan rob for supermarket, you go save that supermarket. Dem go give you this permit of stay wey dem dey call deed of outstanding civic value. And this deed of outstanding civic value na 2 years renewable document, and you can convert this document to working permit of stay. So if you know say you dey under this category, say you dey do good work, you dey help people, you dey save people from danger, and you no get document, if government still get right to still recognize you this deed of outstanding civic value. So na this one be these special cases wey Salvini come add after e don cancel humanitarian. So in case if you need any further information or question, please just drop your comment for below this video, for this comment section, so that once I read the comment, I fit reply you if you need, whether privately or you fit still call me. So don't forget, mona try, mona subscribe. So thank you very much. I still remain your presenter, Anthony. Bye bye.